Zodiac signs tend to get all the credit when it comes to defining one's personality. But did you know that your birth month can actually play a pretty big role too? Please subscribe and watch this video until the end to know the complete information. This might just shock you with its accuracy. January. January people are stubborn, ambitious and productive. They can be rather reserved and quiet, yet know how to make others happy, perhaps due to their intelligence. They are both teacher and student, as they love to teach and be taught. February. February people are mercurial, temperamental and ever-changing. They love freedom and can be rebellious, however, they are honest and loyal. Their clever natures make them lovers of abstract thought and ambitious too. March. March people tend to be shy, reserved and even secretive. They are trustworthy and kind. They are also naturally honest, generous and sympathetic, making them great friends. April. April people are active and dynamic, with strong mentalities and decisive natures. They are brave and fearless, although it often leads to hasty acts that might be regretted later. May. May people are hardworking, strong-willed and motivated. They can be stubborn and easily angered. Their deep sense of feeling, though, makes them instinctively attractive to others. June. June people are polite and soft-spoken, with sensitive and active minds. They always want the best, putting off decisions until they know they're making the right one. They love to joke and debate with friends. July. July people, while fun to hang out with, are secretive and difficult to understand. They are honest, tactful and approachable, but can be on the broody and quiet side. August. August people are brave and fearless. People love to follow them and they love to lead with their extraordinary spirits. They are easily provoked to anger and jealousy, but otherwise careful and cautious. September. September people are organized and attentive to detail, as well as critical when they see a fault in someone else. Their knowledgeable and clever natures are complemented by their good memories. October. October people could talk all day. They love to be at the center of things and they love the people who love them. They treat their friends well, although they don't care what people think about them. They tend to be free-spirited. November. November people have a lot of ideas. Their unique and brilliant natures lead to extraordinary ideas and sharp thinking. They are inquisitive and dig for secrets, but they are patient and brave too. December. December people are loyal and generous. They love to socialize, particularly in organizations where they can gain influence to aid their ambitions. They don't pretend, however, and they are trustworthy. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.